Hey everybody, we're at the 7th Annual Symposium. I wish you could be here. We actually have a huge crowd. We have some new faces that haven't been here before, and so I want to show you some of the tables. People that are coming out and actually sponsoring what we're doing. They're paying back to the trades. They're making sure education is getting out there. And they have something not just helping out with education, but they have something that can help a technician out in the field. So tell us, what are you doing here?
So I'm Chris Erickson. I'm with Leone Green and Associates. I'm representing Drain IV today. Excited to show a really cool product to everybody in our trade. Drain IV helps prevent drain clogs. It's a very cool product. We are a pump-driven product with a bag that our solution goes into. This is with the programming set up in this pump, it is a 6-month treatment. We are a distribution to trade only, so you're not going to find us in the big box stores or on Amazon.
So customers can't look up and be like, oh, I can buy this on Amazon and do it myself.
Exactly.
Which is huge.
Exactly.
Which for a technician.
That makes it really hard to sell.
Yeah, you're coming in with a price and you have your own markups. You got to be able to make them your own profit whenever you have anything. And then the customer's like, oh, that doesn't look too hard to install. I can just do that on Amazon.
Why
or
were you trying to rip me off?
Yeah.
You know, we want the professionals installing our product. We want that homeowner, when it's time for maintenance and time for the refill, we want them coming back to the contractor.
Yeah.
Not being able to go online and circumvent us as professionals.
So talk to me, what does the install process look like?
So install
where does this drain down into?
Yeah, so super simple. Got 2 options. You can install into the drain line itself. Okay. So this slip right into the T.
Nice.
Our preferred method of install would be that we actually treat the source. So we want you, if at all possible, install it into the drain pan itself.
Okay.
So in this kit has all your connections to install either in the drain line or the drain pan.
Okay.
If you're doing it into the drain pan, comes with black hose and clear hose.
Nice.
Clear hose is for outside the air handler. Black hose is UVC-resistant, so
if you got a UV light in there or something,
it's not going to eat this up. So
nice.
We want you to use this inside, because if they don't have UV lights, we might want them in the future.
Yeah,
so
that makes sense.
Comes with drain pan clips.
Okay.
So the hose feeds through that drain pan clip.
That's really handy.
And that oscillates, so they can, as a contractor, you can put it exactly in that drain pan where you want that solution to flow.
Nice.
We've got some other hardware, so depending on application, say you want to tee it and treat both sides of the drain pan and get every square inch of that drain pan, that's the preferred method of install. Very important with a product like this, start clean, stay clean. So it's not a Drano, it's a preventative, so give us a clean drain line and we're going to help keep it clean.
Yeah.
Again, it's a pump-driven product, so this pump will pump 5 feet vertical. So from an application standpoint, especially in closet installs where you might not have the clearance for a gravity-fed unit that's installed above the drain line, this could be mounted anywhere in the vicinity of that air handler. This will pump 5 feet vertical. This bag, yes, it's meant to hang.
Okay.
It's got a 40-pound magnet, so it will attach.
40-pound magnet.
40,
magnet
it's heavy duty.
Nice, dude. Okay.
Yeah. So very easy from an install standpoint.
Yeah.
But again, if you don't have clearance, you see how this bag is sitting. This can sit on the bottom of the return. If you got an open return, you can set this on top of the air handler.
Yeah.
Anywhere in the vicinity, because again, we can pump 5 feet.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community. For techs, by techs.